Who knows? You think Adam will be on time today? Who knows? I don't think he thinks it either. Adam said he's going to be here at 9:02 today, since that's what time he came a few days ago. So we'll see. We'll see. It is now 9:02, and he's still not here. Una's waiting as well. The time is now 9:04, 9:05, 9:06, 9:07. And who decides to show up right at 9:08 a.m.? This guy right here. This is ridiculous. Watch.
Hey man, it's raining! Don't give me shit. I promise it's not my fault.
You're late.
Get in the car. You didn't hear me.
Alright. So Adam finally picked me up. We're going back to Bloomington. We're going, what is it, JL, right?
JL Waters.
JL Waters, the camp store, to get some Carabiners for our hammock. So I have a knockoff hammock I've had for a few years, and you can see that the Carabiners usually aren't the best. You can see this is kind of pulling away here, so it won't close anymore, because when you're sitting on it, it pulls and it's like bending. So we're gonna go check out.
The spring messes up in those two, right?
My spring is fine on this one.
It's just not lining up anymore.
But it's pulled to where it won't lock. Yeah, like $2.
And it's not no ways.
So $4 for a little bit extra. All right, so we were in there a while. Didn't really buy much. Did, however, get so we got the Black Diamond Neutrino Carabiners here. I got 2 of them for my hammock. There's 7 kilonewtons, which is 7 times 220 pounds, because 1 kilonewton is 220 pounds. Times that by 7, it's like 1,500 pounds of force closed on these guys. So I'm not gonna have to buy another beaner for a while. So we'll be fine. And then we got some climbing rope for like 10 feet.
Yeah, 10 feet total.
So we got 5 feet on each side of the hammock, so we can extend if we need to, because we were kind of pissed off a couple days ago in Brown County. So, but now we're about to hit Bloomington. So we were down here in Bloomington, and I was like, hey, it's raining and it has been a lot. Let's go see if we can head down to Leonard Springs. So here we are. And it sounds intense down there. All right, here we are. You can hear it. Holy crap.
Ever play Oregon Trail? That's where you cock the ford and float across. You're gonna die. You better look for a bridge.
Holy shit, guys. This is nuts. Oh my god, it's so flooded.
If you guys go back
I'm gonna put up a clip of what it looked like a month ago. So a month ago, it was kind of subtle.
Now, man, this thing is raging. I'm seriously like blown away. This is so badass. Look at this.
Wow. Look at that. This is crazy. Oh. It's flowing so fast. Oh. A few months ago, this was all dried out, blue skies, nice looking.
Yep.
Now it's miserable and flooded. Raining, miserable, cold. Think it was worth it?
Yeah, it was fun. I don't even like cold or wet or none of this, but it's beautiful in its own fucked up sort of way. Sorry, you had to bleep that out.
I had a great time. We're apparently at Griffey Lake, and water's kind of moving fast. All right, we're at Griffey? Is it Griffin or Griffey?
Griffey.
Griffey Lake. I'm cold. I'm freezing. So, this is it. Where are we going? We're going that way?
Yeah.
There's a hole in the fence right here, and we're gonna head that way. Where we go, I don't know. Adam, you're showing. Oh, look at this thing. What is this? It's a runoff.
That's their tennis ball. I damn near twist my ankle.
All right, well, thanks guys for watching. Leaving Griffey Lake, heading home. So thanks for watching this pointless vlog with me and Mr. Adam, whatever he's doing. So thanks again, and subscribe. I don't care. There ain't nobody watching anyway. All right, see you later.